How to factory data reset Mi Pad 4? Easy as ABC. First of all, go to Setting, then Additional Settings. Click on Backup and Reset. Later on, select Factory Data Reset, followed by Reset Tablet. Select Next, then OK. Do take note that everything on your tablet, including photo, games, and data, will be deleted. That's it. Mi Pad 4 will be rebooted and will initiate factory reset process. After that, your tablet will be loaded with new MIUI setup configuration as brand new one. Just scroll through them will do. That's all for now. I will see you again. Peace.